Smart ways to use credit cards. Curiosity titles. How can credit card work for you? What are the secrets of smart credit card usage? Can you make money with credit cards? Are you using your credit card effectively? The best tips for credit card investments. 1. Introduction to smart credit card usage. Using a credit card wisely can help you generate income without paying interest. A smart way to do this is by using a credit card to invest in the stock market, buy precious metals, or even real estate. Here are 3 important tips for maximizing your credit card benefits. 2. Choosing the right credit card. Select a credit card that offers a 0% introductory promotion or one that allows balance transfers at 0% interest. These cards often have rewards programs that earn points for cashback or travel. Some recommended cards include Chase Freedom, Discover It, and Citi Double Cash. Make sure to compare these options to find a card that best matches your spending habits. 3. Maximizing credit card points. Using your credit card for everyday expenses is a great way to earn points without accumulating debt. For example, if you spend $200 on groceries monthly, pay with your credit card and use the cash intended for groceries to pay it off immediately. This builds points without interest, allowing you to redeem them for cashback or travel in the future. 4. Understanding credit card debt. Credit cards themselves are neutral. How you use them determines if they become a good or bad debt. Using them to buy unnecessary items can lead to debt, putting you in a stressful position. However, if you use your credit card to invest in assets that appreciate, like stocks or real estate, it can be a good debt that works for you over time. 5. Investing with credit cards. You can use credit cards to invest in things that grow in value, such as the stock market or precious metals. For instance, you can use a balance transfer to invest in stocks, as long as you understand those investments. Additionally, you can buy gold at a retailer like Costco, collecting points with each purchase that can be redeemed later. 6. Investing in your education. Using your credit card to pay for educational resources can also be beneficial. This includes books, courses, or college classes. Investing in education not only helps you gain valuable knowledge, but also earns points that can be redeemed later. Paying for classes with a credit card allows you to rack up points without accruing significant debt if managed correctly. In conclusion, using credit cards smartly can help you earn rewards while investing in your future. By choosing the right credit card and leveraging it wisely, you can create financial opportunities without falling into debt. Follow these tips to start maximizing the benefits of your credit card today.